The destructive El Reno tornado of 2013 led to significant advancements in meteorological technology and methodologies, prompting experts to reevaluate their predictive models and ultimately resulting in improved accuracy for future tornado warnings. In the wake of the El Reno tornado, researchers collaborated to enhance radar technology, incorporating dual-polarization methods that provided more detailed information about storm structure and behavior. This innovative approach to forecasting not only changed how meteorologists view tornadoes, but also educated the public on the importance of timely alerts, underscoring the need for community preparedness in the face of severe weather. As a result of the insights gained from the El Reno tornado, advancements in technology, including unmanned aerial vehicles, have been developed to better track and analyze tornadoes in real time, leading to more informed decision-making during severe weather events. The lessons learned from the El Reno tornado have fostered stronger collaborations between meteorological agencies and communities, ensuring that advanced warning systems are not only implemented but also effectively communicated to those at risk. This collective effort has led to significant changes in the way tornado predictions are approached, emphasizing a proactive stance that prioritizes public safety and minimizes the devastating impacts of such natural disasters. Ultimately, the impact of the El Reno tornado extends beyond scientific advancements, as it has galvanized communities to engage in preparedness initiatives, fostering resilience and ensuring that citizens are equipped to respond effectively to future tornado threats. Through these educational programs, communities are better prepared for emergencies, as the knowledge gained from analyzing the El Reno tornado continues to inform both individual actions and broader public safety policies. As a result of the ongoing commitment to innovation and community engagement, data indicates a significant reduction in tornado-related casualties, showcasing the effectiveness of advancements made since the El Reno event. This spirit of resilience not only highlights the community's strength in overcoming adversity, but also serves as a reminder of the vital role that education and awareness play in enhancing safety during severe weather events. Such collaborative efforts between scientists and community leaders have paved the way for continuous improvement in tornado preparedness strategies, ensuring that the lessons from the El Reno tornado are never forgotten. These educational initiatives play a crucial role in maintaining awareness of tornado safety, ensuring that both current and future generations understand the importance of preparedness in mitigating the risks associated with severe storms. As El Reno continues to rebuild and strengthen its infrastructure, the ongoing dialogue between experts and the community serves as a powerful reminder of the enduring impact that one tornado can have in shaping both scientific understanding and public policy. Such proactive measures and educational outreach not only foster a culture of preparedness, but also empower residents to take charge of their safety in the face of future tornado threats. Investments in technology and education have resulted in a more informed populace that can respond effectively to tornado warnings, reflecting the vital changes brought about by the lessons learned from the El Reno tornado. The integration of advanced warning systems has improved response times and ensured that critical information reaches those at risk swiftly, emphasizing the ongoing importance of communication in disaster management. These engaging activities not only strengthen community bonds, but also instill essential safety skills in young learners, ensuring that future generations remain vigilant and prepared for the challenges posed by severe weather. By continually evolving these educational resources and community engagement initiatives, the legacy of the El Reno tornado serves as a foundation for a more informed and resilient society that is better equipped to handle the unpredictability of severe weather. Through these ongoing efforts to educate and empower individuals, the community not only honors the memory of those affected by the El Reno tornado, but also builds a brighter, safer future for everyone. Such dynamic interactions between scientific experts and the community not only spark interest in meteorology among young minds, but also foster a culture of safety and preparedness that benefits everyone during tornado season. These commemorative events serve as poignant reminders of the tornado's impact while simultaneously highlighting the progress made in tornado prediction and community preparedness over the years. Such community-driven initiatives not only provide valuable hands-on experience, but also ensure that vital resources are accessible, ultimately contributing to a comprehensive culture of preparedness as inspired by the events surrounding the El Reno tornado. By addressing the broader implications of climate change alongside local storm preparedness, such events foster a deeper understanding of the challenges posed by severe weather and encourage proactive measures within the community. These collaborative efforts between researchers and local organizations not only enhance scientific understanding, but also ensure that essential information reaches all members of the community, further embedding safety practices into daily life.